Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to our channel, Hanging Out with the House Wrights. If you're new to us, just a video of what goes on in our life. We do a lot of construction, got rental properties, lawn care business. We're just into everything. Three boys. We love to do everything outdoors. So we hope you enjoy watching what we got going on. Last week, yeah, I can't remember what day, but sometime last week, one of my buddies called me. He owns a construction company. He's helped us out quite a bit. He's got this plasma cutter, and he doesn't have anybody that knows how to operate the software. So he called me up, wanted to know if I could give it a try anyway. So yeah, yesterday I went out there and got their laptop and brought it home and been fiddling around with it. And I think we've got something that'll actually. Hopefully it cuts. Hopefully the sparks fly, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, a little bit of backstory on me. I went to school for engineering. Worked in engineering fields for probably, I don't know, 15 years at least. The last job I had, I was a tooling engineer. We made patterns, did a lot of CNC work, a lot of design stuff. So I guess that's why he called me to give it a try. But yeah, we got something drawn anyways, so we're gonna head out here in just a bit and we're gonna see if we can make something happen. Got it. Like that.
You ready to move some sheets?
Hey guys, back at the house. I'd say that was a success. Made a firing anyway, so I got two more to try to draw something up for and take back to their shops, then get them cut out too, and hopefully I can teach another guy how to run the thing so I don't have to do all of them. So that's the plan anyways. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed the video, and once again, thanks for hanging out with us.